Welcome back. In this video we will write JavaScript code to change the background color of our HTML file, and will also alternate between lot of colors after every 3 seconds. So we will alternate between 6 colors each after a interval of 3 seconds. So let me show you the web page which we have created. So the web page is a blank page here, and we will alternate between 6 background colors which will be red, green, yellow, etc., and they will change after every 3 seconds. So for that we will write the JavaScript code, and we will use the setInterval method which is available in the browser. So we will use that. First of all, let's create a const. First of all, we have to use the script tag so that we will be able to include JavaScript in the HTML file. After that, let's create a const which will be hex codes. It is a list of hex codes on which we want to alternate between. So we will alternate between 6 hex codes. So let me just copy and paste the list of hex codes which I have already created, so we can save time. So these are the hex code. They are for the color red, green, blue, yellow, light blue and magenta. So after creating the list of hex codes, let's use the setInterval method. So let's use the setInterval method. Well, and this method use 2 parameters. One is function and the second is the interval after which we want to run this code again and again. So and it is a millisecond, so we want to change the background after 3 seconds, so that's why I have written 3000 milliseconds. Now let's create a variable to find the index of the hex codes which I want to randomly set as background color. So math.floor, after that math.random, and it should be multiplied with hex codes. And if you don't know how to generate a random number using JavaScript, then please let me know in the comment box so I can help you. I can create a video and teach you how to do that. So document.body, after that we need to set the style and the specific style which is background color. So here on line number 9 we are having the index, one random index from the list. So it will consist of value from 0 to 5, and we want to set one specific value which is on that random index variable. So random index, and the semicolon is not important, but it's my habit to write semicolon, so I am writing it here. Let's save and let's go to our web page and see if we can see the results. I have refreshed it. Let me also see if I haven't done any mistake in this code. Random index, because JavaScript is case sensitive, so I have to check for the cases of these variable names. So I have saved it. Let me just refresh it and see if we are able to change the background color. Let me also inspect the code. Unexpected token. Okay, I have written something. Yes, the script tag is not closed here, so let's close it and again go to our code. Now the error is random index is not defined. Why? Okay, here I am doing one mistake. Let's refresh, and we are not getting hex code is not a function. the debugging techniques which help us. So whenever you face any issues with your code, then you can go to console and see the issues. And as you can see, we are alternating between the colors here, they are changing. Let me also refresh it once again so you can see. So after 3 seconds a new color will pop up on the screen. It is yellow and they are random: green, red. If I again refresh it, it will be white and one random color will be picked and will be shown in the screen. So this is how you can write the JavaScript code to show random color on the screen. Let me explain it once more. So the hex codes array contain the hex code of the color you want to use in the example, and here we are using 6 colors which are red, green, blue, yellow, light blue, etc. The setInterval function is used to execute a function repeatedly. So setInterval function is used to execute this function repeatedly after some time. And here we are finding the index of the color which we want to set on this line number 10, and which will set a background color from the list of these hex codes. So that's it in this video. We will learn some more JavaScript code or web development in the upcoming videos. Thank you very much.